Hey everyone, it's Tonya Lawrence, the blockchain queen, here with a quick tutorial on how you sell your crypto from the Coinbase wallet or from Coinbase. Just go ahead and open the platform, select the coin you want. This time I'm going to use Ethereum. And I had to adjust the screen a little bit so that the bottom menu showed up. Click buy and sell, click sell. And it gives you the option to sell your Ethereum to your USD wallet. Once you do that, the funds will be in USD. Let me go back. I already have some funds in my USD wallet. Go up here into cash, click on that, and it shows you where your cash is. So USD. And then click on withdrawal. And it shows you your options. Withdrawal, you put the amount you want to withdraw, and then transfer to, and it gives you options for where you want to transfer the funds to. And that depends on what accounts are connected to your bank account. That's it.